it's Kim, and I have another LEGO video for you today. This is the Disney Princess Whisker Haven Treasures Day at the Pool. So it's 70 pieces, number 41069, and let's just get right into it. Oh man. So unlike the poly bags that we've been seeing lately, this one has a real book. So cute. And there we have it, our Disney Princess Whisker Haven Treasures Day at the Pool. I think this is super adorable. I am very partial towards girl Legos, so I think they're really cute. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys next time.